I'm alive. Sadly, that's a bit more of a brag than I'd like it to be. It's been 6 months since my last video. I would love to tell you I was on vacation, but this past several months did not go as planned. Quick explanation, you all know Rufus the Wonder Husky. He has made a cameo in just about every video I've made, and this will be no different. Well, maybe a little bit different. Hold on. Rufus was 14. It's pretty darn old for a husky. In the end, he was blind, deaf, and had dementia. And there was the pooping. Oh, there was so much pooping. I was having to take him out every hour or so, day and night, and I didn't sleep for pretty much the past 6 months. That's not good for you. We had to make the hard call, and we sent Rufus to go live on a farm. It's just a box. You didn't think he was... No. Oh, he's fine. He's on a farm. That's what my wife told me. Since he made the hard choice, I had no idea how much stress there was and how hard this whole thing was. It was pretty insane. Like I said, I hadn't actually slept in forever. Maybe you get a nap here and there, maybe an hour, 2, 3 hours, and you're like, whoa, it's amazing. You do that for 6 months in a row, you lose your marbles. He lost his. I was losing mine. Now everybody's better. Well, he's better. I'm sad. Anyways, he was a great dog. He was awesome. But I got 8 hours of sleep for the first time. It's probably been years. Seriously. This house doesn't have a doggy door, and if the pups have to go outside, me and my wife have to let them out, basically. And that's not so simple when you have a blind dog who can't find his way back to the door. I would find him trapped in a bush, or he'd fall over, different things. It was rough. Anyways, sorry. Reba, the little German Shepherd, she's fine. She's okay. She's still with us, and she's doing great. She's old, but she's our little angel, and no worries there. She promises she's going to live forever, so we're all good. We don't do this ever again. One time only. Yeah, it's not how that works. And I also broke my hand and my foot. Though, no biggie. Those fine. Hand almost works again, so it's good. Now that things are getting back to normal around here, nothing is normal. What is normal? At this point, I have no idea what normal even looks like. As I'm filming this, literally in a couple of minutes, we're going to find out if I have to pack all of our stuff into a truck and haul booty back to Phoenix for my wife's new job or not. I don't have any idea. She's doing that right now. So when I get done doing this, I'll find out if I'm no longer cooking in this kitchen or not. But it'll be great to get out of this house because, as you may know, I hate this house. It's been 4 years, which is 4 years too long, and it's time to go. And once we're clear of this house, I will dish some of the stories on why. But I can't say anything right now because they can hear me. I'm not joking about that. That is not a joke. I probably already said too much. So when we get to the other side, I will share plenty of stuff when we get to safety. That's the end of what I'm going to say about that right now. Okay, so now people keep asking me if I'm coming back to make more videos. And we don't have the clip. Seriously? I'm being told the John Wick clip I'm back is now fully played out and no longer funny. So, all right, dang it, I waited too long. Oh well, I've been trying to make this video for a while. I should have done it earlier, but procrastinate and you lose your John Wick clip. That's, I believe Socrates said that. It might have been Plato. I don't know. So I am back and I'm getting caught up on sleep and I'm missing Rufus like crazy, but I'm back. Okay, so put down the aluminum pans and the tube of biscuits, people. Get ready for some seriously delicious recipes coming at you soon. I still have a bunch of taco sauce recipes to try, and I've been working on some pizza recipes. Detroit, I'm looking at you. That's right. And I'm going to make a cheesecake or 5. You do know my middle name is Cheesecake, right? It really is. Yeah. Sorry for all of you that thought it was like Rico Suave or Danger or something like that. Nope. It's cheesecake. My mom just really loved cheesecake. It's true. It's not true. Why would I even say that? It's funny. But it's, yeah. Anyways. Plus, I'm already working on videos for our Drive-Thru Kitchen channel and as well as the Guillermo's Cocina and the Billy Bob's Burgers and Barbecue channel. Those are going to be great. I'm looking forward to that. I'm going to be a busy boy, and I hope you'll join me as I try to remember how to do all this junk again. It's been a while. Honey, where do we keep the frying pans?